Hey guys, so in my sugaring videos, I told you guys that I think it's super important to exfoliate, even if you're not removing your hair. So I thought I'd show you one of my favorite summer recipes for a dirt-inspired coffee scrub. And all you need is 3 ingredients. You can use any ground coffee of your choice, as well as sugar, and I'm also going to use almond oil. And some additional things you could add are also essential oils if you like fragrance, or cornstarch, which I am using in this video. The reason I'm using it is because it keeps it from becoming too oily, but I kept it simple because I actually used a flavored coffee. So this already smelled amazing. The caffeine in coffee is really good for tightening the skin, and the firmer the skin, the more glowy it looks. I'm using almond oil because it's actually really good for sensitive skin. The thing that I love about this scrub is that it's not like the scrubs that you usually buy in the store that are just completely drenched in oil. So you just want to mix all of those together, and you'll know you're done when the color gets darker, which means it's well combined. As you guys can probably tell, this scrub was inspired by potting soil. So I went for these containers that remind me of like planting pots. If you are interested in anything that I've used, everything will be listed down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you do happen to try it, definitely tag me and hashtag it abetweene taught me. I love seeing what you guys come up with. And I definitely have more DIYs coming. So make sure that you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss them. Bye.